Okay, babies, I'm gonna take this session to the next dimension. Should I?
What happened to the song? What happened to your voice? What happened to your voice, man? Dude, there's something not right with my guitar. What? Dude, I'm trapped in here. And I'm naked. Oh, my skin! Oh no! Hey, they're good. They're awesome. Yeah. What are they doing? No, stop. No, don't do that. No. What are they doing? What's wrong with us? What's wrong with our spirits? Stop it. Georgie, shut it off. No.
It was all a dream.
Get up, idiot, we're recording!
Oh! Yeah! 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 Yeah!